up, everybody? How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Countryside Garage. Steve here. Drinking Red Bull. Today we're going to knock out this motor. We're going to get it torn apart. I was going to put it on an engine stand, but I'm going to say fuck that today. Because I'm feeling spontaneous. We're just going to do it right here in the garage. Oof. I feel something happening. Stuff's kicking in pretty good. Love Red Bull. Why? Because it gives you wings. Some funny shit right there, huh? So don't mind my wings. Red Bull gave it to me. Oh, today, let's see. Gotta adjust this down. There we go. Maybe up a little more. There we go. Alright. Let's see what we're going to get going here. We're going to tear this apart.
Perfect.
Welcome back, guys. Steve here at Countryside Garage. Today we're going to be tearing down the engine. We're going to get the valve covers off, pull the heads, check the valves and the pistons, make sure they're not damaged. If they're not damaged, then we can move forward. If they're damaged, then we got to figure something else out. But let's go ahead and start tearing this off and see what we're working with. Alright, guys, so I got the cylinder head off. It's sitting over here. I inspected the pistons, and there doesn't seem to be any physical damage done to these pistons. There is a little bit of a mark here where the valves would have been, but they're not. I mean, they're pretty flush. They're not. There's no dents or nicks or nothing. So, I mean, I'm thinking that's just from the carbon buildup in it, maybe, because it's on all of them. But and I would think if the valves hit the pistons, that the valves would be broke, bent, or whatever, and these would probably be dented, but or at least nicked, like a big deep scratch. But they're pretty flush, you know. So I think we're good. No damage there. So that part's all set. Alright, so we got both heads off. The valves on this one were okay, but the other one, this valve here and this valve here do not shut all the way. I don't know if you can tell, but they stick up a little bit, so they're bent. So we got to fix those two valves. I'm not sure which would be cheaper, fixing them or just going to a junkyard and getting a different head, but yep, this is the bad one, so we're good on that one. So it's just the two valves on that cylinder, and the pistons and everything else look good. So we're in the green still. I'm pretty sure we can still I'm pretty confident we can reuse this motor. I don't see why we couldn't. So there's that. The next thing I got to do, get it turned over. I'm gonna take the pan off because there's some stuff that fell down into the pan. But here's what's left of that bracket, plastic. What's really funny is the good side. It looks like someone had replaced them because these look pretty brand new. So I don't see why they would just replace the one side and not the other. Being cheap or stupid, I don't know. But let's see. Here's what I dug out. Here's the tensioner for the timing chain. The tensioner, the valve tensioner there. Yeah, all that came out in pieces. Alright, this is where I am at with the motor. I took the pan off because, as you can see, all those little pieces there, those are part of the timing tensioners, like components, like the plastic pieces and whatnot. And there's some more. And this one, the I think they call it the 4x4 balancer. The tensioner on this one busted as well, so that has to come off. So this is what the 4.0 comes down to when you have to replace the timing tensioners, timing chains, whatever that has to do with timing. This is what you end up with. So good luck anybody who has to deal with this. It wasn't bad, but I mean, it's, as you can tell, it's a ton of work. So yeah, so just gotta get it cleaned up, get my parts ordered, get my parts put in, throw it all back together, and fingers crossed everything goes back smoothly, nice and good. We'll have a brand new truck. So part 4 basically, it's just going to be throwing it back together, making sure it runs. So it might be a while before you see part 4, but this is part 3, so that's where I'm going to end. So yeah, we're almost there. Just got to hang in there. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Peace out.